Hey, what up squad, it's your boy K-Flow. This video is a 1-year update on the RP342. Now let's get this thing started. Hey guys, real quick, I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and also enjoy your New Year's too. This is probably going to be my last video until January, so I hope you guys enjoy your whole holiday season. So this past year guys, I tried out a new product called RP342, and this is a military grade product in order to protect a lot of their equipment as well. So I figured I'd try this out and see how it performs throughout the year. Now in order to test the performance of this product, I just used my truck for pretty much all types of adventures. So that includes mudding, driving through snow, salt spray, definitely a lot of road trips, and a lot of sand and mud driving. So you name it, I've tried it, and all the areas of the frame has been definitely coated with so much dirt and debris. And we'll see how the product actually holds up when it comes to durability and overall performance with protecting it from rust. So to give you guys a little bit more background, I have used other products in order to protect metal and the frame of the truck. So that stuff includes fluid film, OSFO, POR15, and I think so far I do like RP342 the most. And I have done a previous video on this whole topic, so make sure you check that out. It's going to be linked in the description below. And these products, especially this one, the RP342, will be linked on my Amazon page. So if you want to get yourself one, go to my Amazon page. It's going to be at amazon.kflow-crib.com. Now I will be doing a follow-on video to this RP342 series, and that would include frame cleanup, reinspection, and recoating. So I'll be doing that more towards the spring when it warms up. But for now, this will be a quick cleanup and reinspection of the frame and the performance of the RP342. Now let's get to the truck, guys. Oh yeah, she's definitely dirty guys and in need of a wash. Look at all that mud from this weekend's trip. Oh boy. Not too bad, but definitely dirty. It's roughly in the 40s right now, guys. So this is just a quick wash with a pressure washer.
The very next evening.
So now that it's all dried up, I'm going to remove the wheels in order for us to do a quick inspection of the wheel wells and underneath the truck. So it looks like a lot of it still has a lot of dirt. But we'll focus on the areas that I was at least able to clear out. I mean, for example, this bolt was actually coated with the RP342, and the coating is still on there, so that's a good sign. But there are sections, or as you can see, like this one right here, where it's kind of shiny underneath. That's where the RP342 came off from the power washing. So it's kind of coming off that little corner, that little seam, I guess, is if you want to call it that, where these two different metals meet, and there's really no visible surface rust. And again, there is dirt, but we'll just visual inspect the areas that don't have dirt, just like this section of the frame here. I'm going to switch to the macro lens so you guys can see the details. So there's the area more to the rear. This is the shock absorber in this area here, so you can see. But that surface definitely looks like it's still coated. There is still dirt right on there. And again, the coating has been here for about a year. I haven't added any more coats of the product on there. So let's take a look. I'm gonna rub it with my finger to see if we can get some of the product onto the glove. And as you can see, the RP342 definitely is still on there. Now I'm going to spray it with a little bit of water to see if it's still beading off the water. Oh yeah, as you guys can see, the water still beads off there, so that's a good sign. And here's the surface of the brake drum in comparison, which is not coated by RP342. So as you can see, the water just sheets off of it. And here's what the front looks like, guys. As you can see, those little patches of shiny sections are also where the product came off. I did coat this bolt as well, and the product is probably still maybe about 30%, 40% on there. And it's not rusting, so that's also a good sign. Now let's do a quick rub test to check the product. Yep, as you can see, there's still product on there. And now we can also spray it down to see how well the water still beads off. This bracket has also been coated, so I'm going to spray it as well. Yeah, parts of it is beading, other parts are sheeting. Yeah, upon closer inspection, guys, it looks like it is beading right where it's kind of clean, but where the dirt is, it's sheeting, which makes sense. So water is just sticking more towards the dirty areas, but at least the area where it's just the RP342, it looks like it's still kind of hydrophobic. And here's that front skid plate, guys. It is still dirty, and there are sections of it that's rusting a little bit because I did go through some rock trails and a lot of the product did end up getting scratched off, as you can see there. So there it's rusting, so it's there and there, but everywhere else where it's coated, there's no rust bubbling underneath it. So it is holding up as far as regular wear and tear goes. And here's what it looks like for the box section of the frame itself. It's covered in dirt, but you can see that sections like this one, where I scraped the rock, that's pretty much rusting, and everywhere else doesn't have any type of rust bubbling forming. So mechanically it's holding, definitely, until obviously you hit rocks and things. The inside of the box section still looks pretty fine. And on the passenger side, everything still looks pretty good. Again, I will be doing a more thorough cleanup, reinspection, and reapplication of the RP342 once it gets warmer. Now, my experience with this product, guys, has been very good. This thing dries completely to the touch and has pretty much withstood a lot of the beatings I've thrown at it through all the mud and the salt spray and the dirt that's accumulated on that surface. So I'm very happy with how this thing has really held up. So I just want to highlight a few things with regards to this product, guys. Number one is it's great that the surface of the metal is hydrophobic. That definitely will prevent pretty much rust formation on the surface of the frame there. Number two is the product itself was really easy to put on. You didn't need to do too thorough of a cleanup, and that waxy substance just stayed and stuck onto the surface. There was no cracking, peeling, or running off of the product even through power washing. So I am very happy with at least how this thing adhered to the metal. Again, there's some parts of it that did come off, but most of it is still on the frame of the truck. And the only bad thing I can think about with this product is pretty much that it's not dirt or mud resistant as I thought it would be. But then again, thinking back, I really don't think there is anything like that, because even if you get mud and dirt on the surface of the body panels of your truck, even if it's protected with carnauba wax or any type of the ceramic coating, you'll still need to use a wash mitt in order to get dirt and stuck on mud on there. So I mean, I guess my expectations initially were a little bit unrealistic. So overall, guys, I'm very happy with this product, and moving forward I will probably be coating my truck frame every year from here on in, unless I find a different product, and of course I'll share that with you as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Make sure you smash that like, subscribe, and hit that bell too while you're at it. Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys enjoy your holidays. Till next time, peace out.